Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Went back to the pawn shop. Of course, I borrowed 500, but not only did I get these two propane heaters here, but I also got a little generator. And I wasn't going to get one of those unless I could find a converter. The guy said, "You mean inverter?" No, I have a whole bunch of those. I mean, we have inverters all over the freaking garage. So, converter from 120 volts to DC, 12 volts. Now, I could plug this in, and he did plug it into the outlet, and he connected it to, on the back here, he connected to a car stereo. Brought it right up, started playing. It's pretty awesome. And I see on the side of it, somewhere, it said 300 watts. So, with this in mind, what is that, 2500? Now, that's amazing. I could plug this in, and I could charge the solar batteries. Because today, so far, almost nothing. I made 100 watts. And snowing. 8 weeks before winter. How about that? Isn't that beautiful? Welcome to the grand solar minimum. So, not only am I prepping solar, and I need to get the wind generators fixed. I have 3 poles. They used to be filled. There's 4 wind generators in this garage. So, got one back here. We got one over there. I don't know where the other one is, but I need to get ready. So, I'm working. Here's this. I didn't finish it before I went back to work. I had a 4-day weekend, and I ran out of juice. Well, it's fully charged, and it didn't happen yesterday. Went to the pawn shop and what have you, and today I got a phone call. So, it's always one thing after another. So what I did, it's still raining too. So what I did is I planned for another 4-day weekend. And we'll see how that works out. So one of these days, I need to start a fire and clean this up. I have used the garage gym several times, and I haven't decided yet which one of these boards are going to be for the next control board for the solar battery wall, so that I can mount the charge controller, the inverter, and all the on-off switches. So that looks nicer than that. So I'll probably hold on to this one and cut that up and make that the next battery bank wall. And look, I did it. I also got that heater. That'll be the one I want to hook over by the dryer. I have a gas